Today's tasks within AgencyZoom is an easy way to organize your to-do list. When you open up today's tasks, you will default to the dashboard. The dashboard will have past due routing, past due recent, today, the remainder of the week, next week, and completed. Each of these are color-coded. Open tasks are going to be blue, past due tasks are going to be red, and anything completed will be green. There's also a list view. If this works better for you and your agency, you can absolutely complete your tasks here. Tasks can be created as a part of automation, or you can manually create tasks for yourself or another team member. When you create a task manually, you can do it from the lead card, the customer's profile, a service ticket, or even from this page via the Add button. You will choose the appropriate type of task that you're attempting to create. All tasks will be created equal. The only difference is the little image that you see here to the left. The task title will default as a task type. We recommend updating this to something more specific. That way, if you have multiple tasks you're creating for your to-do list, you're not looking at it a little confused on what you need to do for each one of them. You can date it for today or even future date it. Adding a time. We do not recommend adding a time, as this is when the task will generate on somebody's to-do list and it is not the time that the task is due. You can assign one or multiple team members to a task. You can add notes about what you may need to do in order to complete the task. If you're creating it from the task page like we are here, it is not automatically going to link to a customer or a lead, but you can choose to link it to somebody within the system if desired. You can also use this attach button and attach any files, or use the subtasks to create a checklist. Once you hit save, if you are assigned to the task and it is set up in your settings to send notifications, the team member assigned will get a notification and you can view it from the task dashboard or the customer's profile if it was linked to a customer. If a task does not have subtasks, you will be able to mark it as completed as soon as you are done. If a task does have subtasks listed, it will track the progress and you will not be able to mark it as completed until all of those are completed. Once you have checked off the subtasks and you hit save, the Mark Complete button will then appear. Anybody with management access will be able to look at their to-do list, as well as the entire agencies as a whole or individually. If you do not have management access, you will not be able to go look at other people's to-do list, but you can filter between tasks that were created as a part of automation or tasks that were created manually for you, whether it was by yourself or another team member. If you have any tasks that are due today, there will be an orange dot over here over the calendar, and if you expand the menu box, it will tell you how many tasks you have left to complete by the end of the day. The goal is to start your day here and end your day here to make sure that all of your tasks have been completed.